Hello again, Jackson here. Welcome to the channel. Nice to have you as always. I absolutely love building websites. WordPress websites, I love handing over a design to a client and watching them full of joy. I love when it goes live and everyone involved, the whole team is just showering me with glory, and it's kind of wonderful. But you know, there is other stuff. And we need to talk about something that isn't, not necessarily the most flashiest part of our responsibilities when it comes to delivering websites, but it is essential in this day and age. And I'm talking about compliance. You've built this beautiful website, all singing, all dancing, everyone loves it. And then you've got to deal with GDPR, CCPA, and this new thing that everyone's banging on about, the old, or the rather new, Google Consent Mode version 2, whatever that is. More about that in a little while. Yeah, the warm glow of satisfaction can be very quickly replaced with a little overwhelm, perhaps a little fear of ensuring that you can get your website on the way to compliance. So usually this would mean picking some random cookie banner plugin off the WordPress repo, whacking it in and hoping for the best. And hoping for the best normally means that it's completely not compliant. It's just literally a pop-up with a close button. Or there's a few SaaS and WordPress combos that you throw on your website. They look rubbish. Your site grinds to a crawl on site speed. Naming no names, there is one that crucifies your page speed insight scores, by the way. But there is a particular tool that I have been getting into, which kind of makes this process, kind of like falling off a log easy. And in my very humble opinion, it is absolutely best in class, and it's free. Yes, it's free, ladies and gentlemen. And it's called CookieBot. It's Google certified for CMP. That is the consent management platform. More about that again in a little while. And it basically automates the entire process of scanning your site for the actual cookies that are on there and allowing the user to choose whether they are allowed or not. Like, it's pro. It's properly pro. So in today's vid, I'm going to show you how remarkably easy it is to set this compliance plugin up, because quite frankly, ladies and gentlemen, this is not a nice to have anymore in this world of legally required compliance that we now live in. No excuses. Let's get on our way to compliance. Right then, let's get cracking. We've got a little demo site going on here. Ooh, nice beach action going on. Let's get to our admin. We've got fairly standard in sort of WordPress, got that page going on. Starter block theme version 4, free download in my freebies page. Plugins, we've got, yes, CookieBot ready to go here. User-centrics, great crew, by the way. 2.5 million folks use CookieBot. It's not just for WordPress, it goes way across different platforms. Set up in under 5 minutes. Shall we test that out? Let's go. Right, let's activate that. Bang, we are activated. We'll jump to our settings page and we immediately get asked, have we got an account? No, we haven't. Do we want to create an account? Yes, we do. Let's jump over to CookieBot. Let's start with our email address in there. Let's get that in. Continue. We're going to get asked for a security code, our 2FA code. Let's go grab that. Drop that in there. Continue. And get a password in there. Use strong password. Yes, please. Always. Continue. And we're in. We've got an account set up. And, you can fill some of this stuff in. It's all optional, but it helps CookieBot understand your needs, all that lovely stuff. That's it. We're done. Right, let's just grab the URL of our site here. This one here, this demo site here. We get that into our website there. We go next. We're going to come back to some of these settings. We'll go next. We're rocking along here. We'll press finish. We're kind of done-ish. We've got to go to implementation, grab our group ID, get back to our CookieBot settings and configure settings, stick in our group ID, connect account, boom, boom, we are connected, and we'll just nip back here, go to our domains. There's our domain, brilliant. and we shall double check the site is being scanned. That's cool. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. You're on your way to compliance here. How cool is that? I think they were over egging the pudding when they said 5 minutes. What was that? Let's get back to our front end, and we're going to now give this a nice old hard refresh and see what we get. Hey, we have a cookie consent banner. This is very good. And remember, this is absolutely spot on with the requirements you need for GDPR, CCPA, and that cookie consent, Google cookie consent thing, the version 2 thing. More about that in a second. And we can go and have a look at the actual details of what this site is tracking. So not a huge amount. We've got necessary stuff. And then you can dive into what's that as the user. You know, emoji settings. Not sure about that one. The CookieBot itself, great. Actually, let's just, because I've got Google Analytics running on here, and look, here we got statistics, and it's Google. That's the Google tracking. So you are on your way to compliance here. I'm just going to allow all because I trust this beach house site. And once you do that, you get this great little icon in the corner where you can review your settings and change your consent. Look at that. Isn't that cool? So super flexible, all very, very bang up to date with all the requirements you need to be on your way to being compliant. And just a quick word. So everything I've done so far is the free version, you know, for smaller sites, 50 pages, which is like 90% of all the clients I've ever had. And the bits that I'll show you now are when you get a pro account, and it starts at €7 a month. So, you know, come on. Okay, a few other little settings we can sort out on the actual main account page, which is we can actually give it some of our own styling and what have you. We can also say if we want it at the bottom, at the top. Let's leave it at that. Let's say we'll slide up from the bottom. Cool. And we can change the theme to light or dark or custom. So if you want that to be your own brand colors, not sure what the brand colors here are, but we can change the buttons, etc., etc. And you see how it all works. Very, very simple stuff, wouldn't you say? Let's get up and save those changes. Let's get back to our front end. We'll give that a hard refresh, and all those changes should be pulled through. If we go to our change consent, there we go. We've got our banner at the bottom. Well, there's our logo. That's the one you can actually change for your own logo, which is kind of cool. And that's it. I mean, you're done. You are done. A little quick word on that consent version 2, that Google consent mode version 2. So what this specifically is, and this has only been around for a few months, I want to say, but it's hyper important, especially and kind of specifically if your website targets the EU, EEA citizens using Google ads, because CookieBot is a certified Google CMP, don't you know? Super important that. It controls how Google tags collect and send data based on user consent signals. And it's basically an absolute requirement by Google for anyone using their advertising platform. Pretty cool, huh? All free, all done in way less than 5 minutes, I reckon. So you've got no excuses. CookieBot is free, as in free beer. And it's perfect for sites up to 50 pages. So literally every single one of my smaller clients is on it. And of course it scales with you. And if you have got a website that is a cornerstone asset in your business, CookieBot grows with you at outstanding value for the level of compliance that we're talking about here. So yeah, no excuses. Get botted up. Get CookieBot. Link is in the description for more intel on CookieBot. My number one choice for this type of approach to get your site a little bit more compliant. And if you want a little bit more WordPress action, there's a video for you right there. But until next time, I shall see you later.